south winds around 10 miles per hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 80. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night through Monday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Highs in the lower 80s inland, but only in the upper 60s to lower 80s near the lake. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s inland, but only in the mid-60s near the lake. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s inland, but only in the upper 60s near the lake.
The Chicago O'Hare crime at summary 4 this evening as of 4 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, north central County in northeastern Illinois, central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5:45 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bolingbrook, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Chicago, Naperville, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Fort Wayne, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Romeoville, Addison, Glen Ellen, Lockport, Westmont, Maywood, Lisle, Phillip Park, Brookfield, and Franklin Park, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 263 and 287. Interstate 88 between mile markers 128 and 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 49 and 50. Interstate 290 between mile markers 8 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 49 and 50. Interstate 355 between mile markers 5 and 29. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield, Toyota Park, Triton College, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, Hawthorne Park, and Morton Arboretum. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.